Hello, I'm Ethan Burks. IU Health is now offering transportation free of charge to vaccination clinics across the state. The funding for this program comes from a grant focused on eliminating vaccination barriers for Hoosiers.
Ride services are available to anyone in Indiana. The appointment does not need to be at an IU Health vaccine site.
Shockney says all people need to do to schedule a ride is call 1-888-IU-HEALTH. Senate lawmakers are dramatically scaling back a plan to restrict the governor's emergency powers that have been used extensively during the pandemic. The Senate's original proposal would have blocked the governor from declaring a public emergency for more than 60 days. But the language approved this week allows a panel of the Legislative Council and leaders to call the General Assembly into special session during an emergency to act as a go-between with the governor's office. The measure also empowers the legislature to play a bigger role in spending federal stimulus money. And Newfield announces a 30-day action plan to address the issues that stem from a job posting last month that many deemed was racist. The Indianapolis Museum of Art, which is part of Newfield's campus, faced a public backlash after a job listing for a new director said it was seeking someone who could attract the museum's, quote, core white art audience. Newfield's president Charles Venable resigned shortly after the incident. The goal of the new action plan is to be more inclusive to all ethnicities. And checking tonight's weather forecast, temperatures do dip down into the high 20s with a low of 28 tonight over clear skies. And then the sun comes out for the rest of the weekend as we see temperatures in that high 50s to mid 60s range. And then a chance of rain showers next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. For more news, check us out online at WTIUnews.org. Have a good weekend, everybody. Good night.